Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we will practice simple English sentences. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. I will speak slowly and clearly. Are you ready? Let's start. My clothes pile is getting bigger. My clothes pile is getting bigger. I pick up yesterday's dirty clothes. I pick up yesterday's dirty clothes. I separate white clothes from dark clothes. I separate white clothes from dark clothes. I check every pocket before washing. I check every pocket before washing. I found some coins in my jeans. I found some coins in my jeans. I put the laundry into the washing machine. I put the laundry into the washing machine. I pour liquid detergent carefully. I pour liquid detergent carefully. I choose the normal wash program. I choose the normal wash program. I close the washing machine door tightly. I close the washing machine door tightly. I start the machine and wait. I start the machine and wait. The machine makes a soft humming sound. The machine makes a soft humming sound. I drink warm tea while waiting. I drink warm tea while waiting. The washing cycle is finally over. The washing cycle is finally over. I take out the damp clothes slowly. I take out the damp clothes slowly. I carry everything outside. I carry everything outside. I spread the clothes evenly on the rack. I spread the clothes evenly on the rack. I pin small clothes with clips. I pin small clothes with clips. I hang my t-shirts one by one. I hang my t-shirts one by one. The wind helps the clothes dry faster. The wind helps the clothes dry faster. I fold the clothes carefully. I fold the clothes carefully. I finished my laundry and feel satisfied. I finished my laundry and feel satisfied. I hang my jackets in the wardrobe. I hang my jackets in the wardrobe. I sweep the floor to keep it clean. I sweep the floor to keep it clean.
Great job! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.